Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable Talkback on your Google Pixel device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access your device settings. Double tap the settings icon on your screen to open it up. Keep in mind that since Talkback is currently active, you'll need to use double tap gestures instead of single taps to navigate through your device. Once your settings menu opens, scroll down with two fingers to navigate through the options. You're looking for the accessibility section, which is where all the features related to screen readers and other assistive technologies are located. This two-finger scrolling gesture is specific to TalkBack navigation, so make sure you're using both fingers simultaneously to move through the menu. When you spot the accessibility option in your settings, double tap on it to open this section. Accessibility houses all the tools designed to make your device easier to use, including the TalkBack feature you're currently working with. Inside the accessibility menu, look for the Talkback option and double tap on it to access the Talkback settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can control all aspects of the Talkback feature and customize how it works on your device. Now you'll see the Use Talkback setting at the top of this page. Right beside it, you'll notice a toggle button that controls whether Talkback is active or not. Click on this toggle button to initiate the disabling process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action, which is an important safeguard to prevent accidental changes to your accessibility settings. Finally, click on Turn Off to confirm that you want to disable Talkback. Once you do this, Talkback will be completely turned off and your device will return to standard touch navigation. You'll immediately notice that you can now use single taps again instead of double taps, and your device will no longer provide spoken feedback for your actions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Talkback on your Google Pixel device and restored normal touch functionality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.